Hey YouTube, what's going on? Brendan Esguerra here, and today I'm gonna be doing a review. This time it's a Marvel Legends review. I'm gonna be this time it's gonna be another custom I ordered off eBay, and you may remember last time I ordered a custom from eBay before, but this time it's a little different because it's a female figure and you'll never guess who it is. Okay. Well, don't really know who it is. Well, I get where you're coming from. Because it's supposed to be a custom Black Widow, but it can't really be Black Widow because she has black hair, whereas Black Widow has red hair. And, I didn't really know what the figure was supposed to be, and neither was the guy who was selling this figure. He doesn't even know what character it's supposed to be, and it's just some random character he made. But then I thought, when I looked at the figure, I thought it could be its own original character, and I know what that character is. My own original character made for Marvel, Black Mamba, who's sort of like Black Widow, but she's my own original character. And the Black Mamba character, well, that was one of my original ideas for Marvel, because I got the idea, because, well, I thought of doing a character like this when I was in middle school. Yeah, the Black Mamba character is a character I've been wanting to create for a long time, since when I was in middle school. And there were some inspiration. There actually was some inspiration for the Black Mamba character. Black Widow is one of them because, she's essentially like Black Widow. And also Kitty Catwell from Tough Puppy, because I kind of want Black Mamba to be sort of like a human version of Kitty Catwell from Tough Puppy. And that was also when I was in middle school and I was watching Tough Puppy. And the Kitty Catwell character actually gave me an idea for the character that would become Black Mamba, and I kind of wanted Black Mamba to be like a human Kitty Catwell of sorts. And of course, Bertha Mason from Jane Eyre, because I kind of want to do a character that's sort of based on Bertha Mason from the novel Jane Eyre, and Bertha Mason has the same initials as Black Mamba, so that means her real name can be either Bertha Mason or Bella Mason. Yeah, Bertha Mason or Bella Mason. Something like, Bertha Mason from Jane Eyre. Well, I was reading Jane Eyre when I was like in high school. And that kind of gave me the idea for Black Mamba's real name, and I guess it does work because it's the same first letters. But I can't really decide between actually, Bertha Mason, much like, the actual Bertha Mason character, or Bella Mason, implying that she's actually the modern day descendant of Bertha Mason from Jane Eyre. Oh, and since, even though I kind of want this to be an original Marvel character, Black Mamba, this is actually a custom Black Widow because she's wearing the same outfit as Black Widow and she has the same Scarlett Johansson head sculpt as Black Widow. I mean, this is supposed to be Black Widow from Avengers Age of Ultron, but she really isn't because her hair is black. And for a comparison, I have an actual Black Widow, the comic version from the Marvel Legends Vintage Wave, and big difference with the hairstyle. I mean, big difference with the hair color. I mean, that figure is essentially Black Widow, but with, different hair, while this is obviously Black Widow, but from the comics. And I also have another Black Widow. Well, it kinda is the movie version played by Scarlett Johansson, though I never meant it to be. It's just I really wanted a Black Widow figure, and oh my god, the paint's chipping off this custom. Well, probably because it's old. I mean, it's been in my collection for years. And I like the official one better than this one. And also I have another custom Black Widow. This time it's more like the comic books, but well, here's the thing. I really wanted a Black Widow figure, and I stumbled upon an Avengers Assemble basic Black Widow, and that's where I got the head from, and the head seemed too small on a regular Marvel Legends body, so I had to use the body of a Toy Biz Marvel Legends Wasp. Well, I got rid of the wings and repainted parts of her and gave her the belt and bracelets, and that was pretty much it. And this is kind of crude compared to the official Vintage Wave Black Widow. And the more movie-like version right here, the paint's chipping away, so at least I have the real official Vintage Wave Black Widow. And I have the custom, which isn't exactly Black Widow. I mean, she's wearing the exact same suit as Black Widow, and she still has the Scarlett Johansson head sculpt, but her hair is different. And that's why I actually want her to be its own original character. That being my own original character for Marvel, being Black Mamba, who is my own original character for Marvel. Real name, Bertha Mason or Bella Mason, and since Black Mamba is an original character, I'm thinking about making a comic book based on, with the origin story for her. But I can't really tell if it's going to be the real Bertha Mason who, after she died, she was resurrected somehow, or if it's actually going to be a direct descendant of Bertha Mason. And I'm actually going to do a full-colored comic book based on this character with my own origin story, and yes, it's going to be my own original comic made for Marvel, so yes, you will expect cameos from, like, the real Black Widow, Natasha Romanoff, or other superheroes like Spider-Man or Iron Man or the Hulk and other Marvel superheroes and villains. I mean, my comic isn't an official Marvel comic, as right now I do not work for Marvel, but it is my own original comic made for Marvel, but I highly doubt anyone who has worked with Marvel Comics is watching this, and I highly doubt they'll take fan submissions and, ID and, character ideas from fans, but it's probably something like, the various Marvel character sonas, such as a Spider Sona related to Spider-Man, Iron Sona, and pretty soon a Black Widow Sona. That being my own original character, Black Mamba. And I'm currently going to write a comic about my Black Mamba character, and it is going to have the Marvel Comics label because it's my own original comic made for Marvel, and Black Mamba is one of my own original ideas for Marvel. Well, that is if I actually got a job at Marvel Comics. Well, probably not working on Spider-Man, well, I wish, but if I was doing the comics, if I was working on the comics, then I am going to do my own original character made for Marvel. And, that's pretty much it. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. There's nothing really much else. And, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more, for more of my content, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.